Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are on day 9 of my 12 days of Christmas. If you guys haven't seen the previous 8, I will link them over on the side here as well as down below so you guys can check them out. But we have been unboxing the LimeLife by Alcone Advent Calendar, which is a whole, 12 beauty products in this. It's called the Holly Dozen collection. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I will be unboxing today, as well as the lip color that I'm wearing today, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so let's unbox this bad boy. So it comes wrapped with a bow, like I've said in previous videos. Love this bow and the little to from tag, so it's just an easy, perfect gift for someone who loves their skincare and makeup. This is what it looks like in the inside. It's so pretty. This is all like hand-drawn, hand-illustrated art that they've put into this whole, like, it's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. Okay, where are we here? We did this one. We are on to this little baby one drop wonder. How cute is that? Look at that. It is so flippin' cute. Okay, so this is your little baby one drop wonder, you guys. If you have not heard of one drop wonder, I'll just read on the website and then I'll just get into it and tell you guys my tips, because this is one of my top favorite products and one of the priciest products that LimeLife has for skincare for good reason. It does a lot of fabulous things. So let's just get into it. Okay, so what it says here is One Drop Wonder is pomifera oil. So it is one ingredient and one ingredient only. If you don't know what pomifera oil is, you guys need to Google it. It's amazing. So cold press from the Osage orange fruit seed. I think that's how you say it. It is full of super antioxidants and it is rich in omega-6, which plays a crucial role in anti-aging. It helps replenish dehydrated skin and results in a gorgeous and healthy glow. This oil absorbs immediately and will increase the effectiveness of your favorite LimeLife products. Okay, so let me just put that into English. Anything that you put a few drops of this into, it will amplify whatever it is that product does. Plus you'll get the bonus, like the added perks of what pomifera oil does for your skin. Seriously, Google it, you guys. It is amazing. So basically anything I use, like anti-aging skincare, I said I do a little bedtime cocktail on my face. I always add a drop of this to that cocktail. So it is going to amp up the anti-aging effects of the Sotox ingredients. It will amp up the effects of anything in your Calm Balm moisturizer or your, you know what I mean? Like anything you put in on your face for whatever reason, this will amplify that, speed up the results, make the results more effective, etc., etc. It's so good. So if you have a skin condition and you use the 40 Cure cream, that is one of our amazing body creams for any kind of severely dry skin, eczema, psoriasis, or I'm using it for I rub it on my belly every night for reducing the appearance of stretch marks and preventing more stretch marks. And so add 1 drop of this to that and that will amplify that, plus the pomifera oil. You guys are getting it. It's so amazing. And 1 bottle of this individual oil usually retails for about $104, I think. So you get to sample this in the collection and just see how good it is. You get this whole collection for 150 Canadian with this one product in it to try, plus all the other ones that we've opened. So you can see why this is my favorite holiday collection item. And if you guys want to see instant results, if you have ever tried one of our Palm Bombs, which is the LimeLife bath bombs, it contains, the Palm Bombs are called Palm Bombs because they contain pomifera oil. It contains 15 drops of pomifera oil. So buy one of those Palm Bombs, stick it in your bath. When you get out of the bath, you'll be like, Like, don't put moisturizer on even after. You will feel your skin and be like, that's from the Pom Balm. Oh my God. Like your whole body feels like you've put moisturizer head to toe. Like, it feels so good. I'm completely addicted to the Pom Balm. So yeah, 15 drops of of this oil is in those Pom Balm. So definitely check those out too. If you guys are scrolling through my website at all, I will link everything down in the description box below, like always. So yeah, that is that. Now let's get into this lip color. Isn't it beautiful? So I previously wore Salted Caramel in one of, what day was it? Day 7. And so this is very similar. So here is Salted Caramel and this is Peanut Butter Cup. So it's just a little bit lighter, but still that really warm, rich kind of tone. Something I never would have thought that I loved, but I really love this color. And lots of people say, like, whenever I show off these colors, they're like, I love that color, and that's not one of my go-to colors. And I'm like, I know. That's how I feel. So I just wanted to show you guys a little, like, here it is on its own. So pretty. I want to show you guys when I take and ombre it a little bit with my concealer. Like, I can't even handle this. I love this color. So there it is, lightened by a shade. So if you guys love like these kind of like warm, peachy, caramely kind of lip colors, then definitely try this out. I can just picture this with like a plum shirt or like a forest green kind of color and this lip, and it just really pops with blue eyes. You can see how these, like, my lips and my eyes are really just like contrasting each other. So yeah, definitely a fan of the Peanut Butter Cup and Salted Caramel, surprisingly. So that is everything for this video. If you guys did enjoy that, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and then make sure you guys do subscribe and click the bell so that you guys get notifications when I upload. How many more days do we get to spend together in a row here? Are you guys sick of my face yet? So we have 4 more days together because I have a bonus video for you guys. So definitely make sure you guys subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.